Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Predis.ai to create Instagram Reel Makers tutorial 2026. So to do this, you just need to go to the Create New page here, and then you can select either UGC or Face This Video to create your video. So here you need to generate your idea. So go ahead and give the AI some ideas so they can generate an idea from it. And then what you do is press continue. You can press AI to generate the images for you. And then here we will pick some styles and presets for the reel. So go ahead and pick one of these, choose a template. You can pick your preferred templates here. So go ahead and pick one of these, or get the AI to generate it yourself. And then pick the aspect ratio. So for Instagram Reels, the ratio will be 9:16. And here we can generate AI videos and AI images. And we have more settings here, so we can go ahead and do this. And once you're happy with all this, press continue and then pick the subtitle type. And then it will review and confirm your details and fine tune your message. Here they've generated a script, storytelling script, with the tone that I've selected. And here you can select different tones here. So go ahead and press generate. And then this will generate this for you. So what I will do is download this, press download, and then wait for it to download. And then once you have downloaded your video, you go to create new post here, select from your computer, find it, press open, and then you will see your image here. So here select the 9:16 ratio that you used on Predis.ai and then press next. And here select a cover photo. Then you can trim, edit any of these parameters, and then press next. And as you see, new reel here. And here we can go back to here, click on the post, and then you can copy and paste the caption here. You can add location, add collaborators, accessibility, change any of these settings, advanced settings too, so hide like view count on this post, turn off commenting if you'd like. And then after all that, press share, and this will share it onto your Instagram as a reel. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.